We're going to bisect a line in this video. Now, bisecting a line means we're going to draw another line that cuts it in halves, but we're going to actually construct the perpendicular bisector of the line. Perpendicular means that the line that we're going to get is going to meet our original line at 90 degrees, right? So you're going to need your ruler, of course, to draw the line if the line is not drawn for you, your compass, and your protractor, right? We're going to use a protractor to test the angle that we have. Now, let us draw a line and bisect it, right? Let's draw a line of 8 centimeters long. And after we draw that line, we're going to construct the perpendicular bisector to that line. Alright, so let me get a line 8 centimeters long. Of course, if you're drawing a line, you have to start at 0. Do not start at 1. You have to start at 0. Okay, and there we have it, 8 centimeters. Now, my ruler is in millimeters, but we should remember that 10 millimeters is 1 centimeter. So 80 millimeters would be 8 centimeters. So there's my line of 8 centimeters long. Now, how do we bisect this line? We're going to construct the perpendicular bisector just like this. Now, you're going to center your compass at one end of your line, right? Now, open it so that the pencil falls past the halfway mark of the line. Ensure that the pencil is obviously over the halfway mark of the line. Now, this line, the halfway of this line, I don't know exactly where, but it's about here. And the pencil here is clearly past the halfway mark, so that must be the situation, right? Now, you're going to swing an arc in this manner shown here so that you have about a quarter of a circle above and a quarter of a circle on the other side of the line. So you should have about a quarter of a circle on each side of the line with this arc that you swing. And there we have it. Now, without adjusting the compass, do not adjust the pencil, do not push it in or out, do nothing to it. Just move it and stick it at the other end of your line, right? And when it's there, now you're going to swing one more arc. Now this arc, you're going to swing it so that it intersects your first arc twice. So here we go. There's one intersection there. There's another, you can stop, right? As long as you get those two intersections. And then now you're going to take your ruler to connect those intersections with one straight line, right? So line up the ruler, just line it up as, so that your pencil will go straight through the intersections, right? So then you're going to draw your line, right? So there we have it. This line is the perpendicular bisector. This line that I just draw is the perpendicular bisector of my original line. Now, if it's perpendicular for real, then it's going to cross that 90 degree. So we can test that by using our protractor here to measure, right? Let me straighten this protractor and measure it. Okay. There we have it. That's 90 degrees. So it's perpendicular. And if it's really a bisector, that means it cuts my lines in halves, right? So I'm going to use the ruler now to measure. Remember now that our line, the line that we drew, was 8 centimeters. So if I measure it, right, then 4 would be in the middle, which is right there. Remember, this is 40 millimeters or 4 centimeters, and so that means this is clearly the bisector of this line, right? You need to practice this a few times until you get it, right? Hold the compass here, center it at the centers, and please remember, importantly, the pencil must be tight. If the compass isn't tight enough, get a screwdriver and tighten it, and try this a few times until you can do it without looking at the video. Okay.